TikTok fans, I believe I have found a really cool flashlight in the TikTok shop. I have it here in front of me. I want to show it to you. I do have to stop for 2 seconds and tell you the marketing is so entertaining. Everything is in some crazy freaking language. It looks like this was printed on a home printer, except the instructions are in English. Who cares if it works, it works. That's all we care about, right? So let's open it up, check it out, see how well it works. Here's the light itself. It is nice and light. It is chargeable via USB-C. Thank you for entering this century. I hate when these things come with USB micro. This is USB-C. It has 2 lights. It has a 10-hour floodlight on the handle and then a 3-hour super bright light. Oh, it's charged. It is very, 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 ooh, interesting. All right, what do you say we test it out a little bit? Let's see if we get the floodlight on. Do I look great in this floodlight? It is, I don't know, this would be great inside your tent or something like that if you wanted to be able to do that, or even underneath a car if you wanted to be able to see. This isn't too bad for that. Let's try the spotlight out. How's that look? That's pretty darn bright back there, right? I got lights on here in the studio. That's pretty darn bright. And it also has the strobe effect if you have to get rid of an intruder, the strobe effect. Let's take it outside, see what it looks like. All right, here we go outside. Let's go to where it's actually dark. Whew, that is dark. There's dark. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? This is much brighter than I thought it was inside. Camera's having a little hard trouble focusing because it's night out and so dark, but that is much brighter than I thought. This is absolutely so cool. Beyond what I expect. I'm really shocked, actually. I thought this was going to be kind of lame inside, and now I'm out here and I'm like, this is the coolest thing ever. Okay, go to the TikTok shop, links below, buy this bad boy. This thing is super cool.